The spirit of Prerana that Prayoga envisions is exemplified time and again through its workshops. At Prayoga, the spirit of learning is about igniting curiosity, not through textbooks alone, but through experience. And this came alive on 12th December when students from Vidyaniketan Educational Society, Tumkur, walked into a one-day science workshop. For many of them, science had mostly lived on blackboards and in notebooks. But here, learning happened through experiential engagement. Students touched, felt, saw, and observed and questioned the world around them. Science moved out of the textbook and into their hands. As the chemistry sessions began, curiosity quickly turned into excitement. Students didn't just hear about chemical reactions, they performed them. They watched clear solutions suddenly turn cloudy as precipitates formed. They noticed the deep blue of copper sulfate and then gasped as copper slowly coated an iron nail. They leaned in close to observe effervescence, fizzing bubbles, discovering how reactions release gases. A simple candle inside a jar revealed a powerful idea. Oxygen supports combustion, and when carbon dioxide was released, the science became visible as a balloon slowly puffed up. Proof that reactions aren't just equations, but real, observable events. In these moments, science stopped being abstract. It became concrete, visual, and unforgettable. That day, it was not just the magnesium ribbon that burnt with a brilliant white flame. It was a spark in the eyes of students who dared to dream big and imagine a future shaped by science.